Want more restaurant website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. You cannot create a WordPress restaurant website for 100% free. Anyone telling you otherwise is just fooling you, because all WordPress websites require a domain and hosting. And these do cost money. So if you decide to make your restaurant website by yourself, then it will cost you approximately $60 per year to make a WordPress website for a restaurant. That's still very cheap, isn't it? Hang on a second. Since the cost is so low, does it mean that you are going to create a shabby-looking website? No. You can create a clean, professional, and a beautiful restaurant website at such a low cost too. Sounds good? Great. So here's the cost breakup of all the things that you will need to build a restaurant website. Number 1. You will need to buy a domain name for your website, for example, myrestaurant.com. This will cost you around $12 per year. I recommend using Namecheap to register your domain name. You can find the link to Namecheap in the description below. Number 2. Then you will need to buy a web hosting account where you will install your WordPress website. This will cost you around $48 per year. I recommend using SiteGround to host your website. You can find the link to SiteGround in the description below. Make sure you buy hosting for multiple years at a time to reduce your costs. Other than these two costs, there are no other costs involved. Rest of the tools needed to create your restaurant website using WordPress are totally free. These tools keep on changing as time goes by. So I am not mentioning them in this video. But you can read my tutorial on how to create a restaurant website to see the latest free tools that you can use today to build a restaurant website. I am leaving the link to this tutorial in the description below. I always keep this tutorial updated. So you will always find the latest free WordPress tools that you can use to create and maintain your restaurant website. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.